All right, guys, don't start your vacation in Costa Rica on the wrong foot. You don't want to get off the plane, go pick up your rental car, and realize that you're getting scammed. It's the worst feeling in the world, and it's a terrible start to your vacation. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do not for that not to happen to you. I've got you covered. Matter of fact, the people in your party, your friends, your family are going to go, how do you have this hookup? How do you know all this stuff? And we're going to talk about some other stuff too, besides just the rental car. Guys, the high season is coming. I do these videos about every year now to warn you. You want to do this early. High season, the cars are a lot more expensive. You want to book early, but you got to do it right. You got to use the right people. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do in a second. Guys, I'm Michael Allen for TravelCostaRicaNow.com. TravelCostaRicaNow.com is a travel agency, so go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Fill out the 4-minute form and you'll be that much closer to the vacation of a lifetime. We're like you, having best friends who live in Costa Rica, who know Costa Rica, totally hooking up your Costa Rica vacation. Hey, if you never see me again, but you appreciate this, at least hit the subscribe. Do me a solid, all right? You want to see videos as we put them up, hit the notification bell, and you can donate if you want. You go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com. and you can hit the little donate button to show appreciation if you want to give us a little something. And if you're really into Costa Rica and want to know more about it, I'm in a podcast every Sunday called The Odd Couple Costa Rica. It's Sunday at 9 o'clock in the morning, Mountain Time right now. So I'd love to see you there if you want to hear things about Costa Rica. But you didn't come here for that. You came here for about the rental cars. Guys, the scams are real here. They're real. They've been real. Ever since I've been here, I got scammed. I'll tell you, okay, here's what happens. Even if you book early, but you use the wrong people, you go in to pick up your car and the price is not the price. All of a sudden there's add-ons. They're charging your credit card you didn't know. And you're like, you gave me a price over the internet and told me, no, it's not that. What do you get? It happened to us. We got so pissed we walked out. But guess what? We had to go back in with our tail between our legs. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? They know they're ripping you off. You know they're ripping you off. They know that you know that they're ripping you off. And there's really nothing you can do. And we did. We had to suck it up and pay a bunch of extra for the car. The other kind of sketch they like to do down here is you pre-book your car, you're good to go. Hey, honey, yeah, we're going to get our car. You go pick it up, and it's not there. They gave it away. Why did they give it away? Because some family of 6 came in at the last second. Hey, we need a car. We didn't really book early, but we need a car. And then they quote them like a dumb $2,000, and the family with the 5-6 kids say, yeah, sure, we'll take it because they got to, and they give away your car, and obviously they make a lot more money, and they just say, sorry, hashtag sorry, not sorry. So those are the two things that can happen. It sucks, man. It sucks. I'm going back to it right now. All right, so I got guys. Take me a long time to find the right people. It does. You got to make sure you find the right people. All you have to do is go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com, scroll down, fill out a very quick car rental form. It comes directly to me. I get it. I'm notified on this. So I get it out to our guys in like within 15 minutes. I know a lot of people go, I wonder when we're going to hear from them. We get it out. I've been doing this a long time. And trust me, if I was scamming, you'd see it in the comments underneath the videos I've made about rental cars for the last like 15 years. Go to our site, scroll down, fill out the quick car rental form. I will get it to our guy and they will get right with you. You will get a good car, transparent price, honesty, good service. It's going to be there when you pick it up. You don't want to wait till the last minute with the high season coming. And if you guys don't know, high season's from about the beginning of December to like the end of March. And cars can be super expensive. So book now. The other thing, if you guys have never been to Costa Rica before and you're not really quite sure, I'm going to put a link. I would say I've got the best travel tip video out there. You watch it now. The video's like 35 minutes. It's long. You only have to watch one video. You'll be very well prepared. You will know what Costa Rica is all about in that 35 minutes. You get your rental car, you watch that video, and I guarantee your family and friends are going to go, how did you know all this shit? I'm going to put a link. Again, if you haven't been to Costa Rica before, or even if you have, but it's been a while, I would watch the video. Take 35 minutes or so, watch the video, get it back up in your head, and you will have a great vacation in Costa Rica. So rent your car, fill out that rental car form sooner rather than later. All right? I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Peace, guys. Hope it helps. I know it did. I know it. I've been doing this a long time. It definitely helps. You should read some of the comments on the other rental car videos. Things are going to pop up if you're thinking about living or traveling anywhere. Always do your homework and research. And if it's Costa Rica, I'm going to put our videos up against anybody's. All right, man. See you in La Fortuna.